You know, folks, most of us have had that moment when an idea for an app pops into our head and we think that would actually be useful. But right after that comes the second thought. I have no idea how to build this. And hiring developers sounds expensive and complicated. So the idea just stays an idea. Today I want to break that pattern. My name is Daniel, and we're about to build a mobile app together in a very human, very conversational way. I'm going to take a simple concept and turn it into a real mobile application using Replit. No coding background, no complicated software, just describing what I want in plain English and watching it come to life. Guys, the app I chose is an AI study focus app, something that helps you plan learning sessions, stay on track with a timer, and use AI to organize big topics into manageable steps. And the whole point of this video is to show the process exactly as it happens, not some perfect polished result. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Alright mates, let me paint the picture. I want an app that feels like a pocket study assistant. You open it in the morning, tell it what you need to learn, and it helps you structure the day. The core idea is pretty simple. There should be a focus timer based on the Pomodoro method, a place to write tasks or topics, and an AI helper that can generate a daily study plan. Nothing overloaded, just something practical that you would actually use. Folks, normally creating this would mean designing interfaces, writing backend logic, connecting databases, and figuring out mobile frameworks. With Replit, we're going to try a completely different approach. Just explain the idea like you're talking to a teammate and let the platform handle the technical side. If this works the way it's supposed to, we should end up with a real mobile app that runs on an actual phone, not just a prototype screenshot. So guys, I'm on the Replit homepage. I choose the mobile app option, and the first thing I see is a big empty prompt box. That's where the whole journey begins. I type a description of what I want: a study app with a Pomodoro timer, task list, and AI that creates daily learning plans. I also ask for a clean design and the ability to save progress. I hit start and the platform begins working. You can actually watch it planning the structure, setting up screens, installing the necessary pieces. It feels less like programming and more like giving instructions to a very fast assistant. A few minutes later, the phone preview appears on the side of the screen. And honestly, friends, that's the first wow moment. There are already 3 tabs: Focus, Tasks, and Plan. I didn't design them, didn't drag any elements, but they're there. I open the Focus tab and see a big timer with a Start button. I press it and the countdown begins. It's such a small thing, but it immediately makes the app feel real. I type that I need to prepare for a test. The app thinks for a moment and then shows a structured schedule with sessions and breaks. That's the point where it stops feeling like a demo and starts feeling genuinely useful. Of course, folks, an app isn't real until it runs on a real phone. So I open Expo Go, and a few seconds later the Study Focus app is in my hand. The timer works, tasks are there, the AI plan loads exactly like in the browser preview. No cables, no complicated builds, just instant preview. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. While testing, I run into a different issue, folks. The tasks are there, they are saved, everything looks fine, but I can't actually select one to focus on. I tap on a task and nothing happens. No highlight, no reaction, I can't scroll or mark it as the active session. Basically, the app doesn't understand which task I want to work on. So I go back to the chat and tell Replit exactly that. The platform starts updating the logic, rebuilds the interface, and after the next preview the tasks become interactive. Now I can select one, it gets highlighted, and the timer screen shows what I'm focusing on. That tiny fix makes the whole flow feel a lot more natural. What's crazy, friends, is that all of this happens without me touching any traditional code. I'm just describing behavior, like explaining the idea to a developer sitting next to me. And Replit translates that into an actual full-stack mobile application with logic, storage, and AI features. By the end of the session, we have something that could be used in real scenarios. And there's even a publish option that guides you through the App Store path in a supportive way, rather than guaranteeing automatic release, which normally would be the scariest part of mobile development. Now, folks, let's talk about who would actually benefit from this kind of approach. If you're a student with ideas but zero technical skills, this is a game changer. You can build tools for your own learning instead of waiting for companies to create them. Teachers could design custom apps for their classes without hiring developers. Imagine creating a small app just for your course structure, tailored exactly to your students. Guys, entrepreneurs can test concepts in days, not months. Instead of investing huge budgets into agencies, you can prototype yourself and see if the idea even makes sense. Content creators, freelancers, small teams, all of you can turn daily problems into real mobile tools. The distance between having an idea and holding it on your phone is becoming incredibly short. And even for developers, mates, this is a powerful accelerator. You can focus on the big picture while Replit handles the repetitive foundation work. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. What happened today was more than just building a study-focused app. It was a glimpse of how software creation is changing. Folks, mobile apps used to belong only to people who knew frameworks and programming languages. Now the main skill is being able to clearly describe what you want. If you've ever thought, I wish there was an app for this, maybe you're the person who can create it now. Guys, use the link in the description to get started with Replit and grab those $10 credits. And tell me in the comments what kind of app you'd build if there were no technical limits. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.